If you want to talk like they talk in the hood, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Majid, and today I'm going to teach you and dear Sarah how to talk like a native American speaker. So without further ado, let's go. Hi.
Hi.
So, how are you doing? How are you doing? You doing great? You feel good?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you feel good, great. So, Sarah, hey, last night I was at a party.
Oh,
Oh, yo, that was lit. That was lit. The party was lit.
le,
Lit. See, they say it's L-I-T. They say it lit, but you don't say lit. You say when they want to talk like a native, like the way they talk in the hood. You say the party was lit. Lit.
le,
Lit. Yes, just like that. Or you can say dope.
do,
Dope, yo. The party was dope.
do,
Yeah, no, but just say lit.
le.
Yeah, I mean, it was like a whole bunch of stuff there, but I mean, I'm not into drinking and stuff, and I don't, but I mean, it was like, they were great people. They were lit. I mean, the party was lit, the people, they were lit, and a whole bunch of stuff, yeah. So when you want to say something is exciting, great, so awesome, you can say it's
Le.
lit, yeah. I mean, the car is lit, that building is lit, that guy is lit, that girl is, she's lit. Like, I approve, I say
Perfect.
perfect, yeah. I mean, you can use it for all sort of stuff. I mean, just looking at me and writing it, right?
Yes.
That thing is lit, Sarah. Like when you're looking at me and you're writing, that's lit. So, yeah. So, am I lit? Say, yes, teacher, you're Oh, I'm just
You're
kidding. Yeah, I'm not. I'm just like mini lit, just half lit.
Half le.
No, I'm just kidding. It's not a word. Half lit, like half
Half.
lit. No, it's not a word. It's just, I'm just made it up. Okay.
It's rather.
Yeah. And try to write dope as well. Dope. D-O-P-E. Yeah, it's dope. It's great.
Dope and lead.
Dope lit, same meaning.
Same.
Seriously, did I tell you about my diet? I'm dead ass about it. I'm dead ass about it.
Dead ass.
Yeah, I'm dead ass serious. When you say I'm dead ass, it means, hey, I'm serious about it.
Oh.
I'm serious. It's no kidding. This time, my diet, it's gonna work. I mean, I'm gonna go to gym, I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna just eat healthy food. Yeah.
You should do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I mean, I will do it. I am doing it. So I'm dead ass serious. Dead ass serious. Like, I'm serious. Like, you dead ass serious? Yes, I'm dead ass serious.
Dead ass.
Like, yeah, dead ass serious. Like, when I'm saying serious, it reminds me of Sirius Black in Harry Potter. Have you watched it?
No.
No?
No.
You don't like Harry Potter?
No.
Oh my God. Strange. Like, you're the first one I've
Yes.
ever met that haven't watched Harry Potter. Why? So what movies do you like? I mean, what series, like whole bunch of series do you like? It's interesting for me. I mean, I think now you're saying, I don't like series. I don't like movies, right?
Yes. I don't like movies.
You do like it, but you don't have the time to watch it, I think.
No.
Seriously, but when you're alone, you want to chill. I mean, it's a rainy day and you chill in your bed. What do you do?
Most of the time, my hobby is with my friend.
Okay, no, your friends, they're home.
Yes.
You're all alone. Let's say at a jungle. Like you're in a cabin at the jungle, and in that cabin, it's raining.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
Imagine.
so you don't watch any series there, like no movies?
Yes,
Reading books?
but reading books.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. Like, you're the first one. I thought that people like this, like, they got extinct and vanished forever. But
Extent.
extinct means like they're dead forever, like they don't exist anymore. Like dinosaurs.
Yeah.
But, but yeah, you're here. Okay.
Yes. Like me.
Yeah, like it. But yeah, I do like reading books. I do read books like a lot. But watching movies also, it's a good hobby. It's a great hobby. Come on, you should watch it. I mean, some movies.
I don't like watch a movie or TV alone.
So when, for example, when you're with your partner, yeah, you can watch it. I mean, oh, it's a great test thing, like watching movies with your partner.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, you should
I
do
agree
that.
with
Yeah. So, but yeah, I mean, but when I'm alone, when I'm eating, whenever I'm eating, I should play something. I cannot eat without like watching series. Yeah, it's like, or even when I'm alone, I'm like listening to songs and like.
No, when I read book, just I read book. When I watch TV,
You don't get sleepy when you read books.
yes.
Yeah, we all do actually. I mean, when I'm reading, it's like the best
After-
medicine for.
After 10 minutes.
Yeah, actually, and I try to read books at public places like cafes, like or jungles, because it's a great thing, good mood, and also you cannot sleep in at cafes. So yeah, okay, but interesting. No movies. Let me confess something. I low key love to watch romantic movies. Yeah, but it's a confession. I low key love to watch it. I mean, when I'm saying I'm low key, it's like I'm keeping it low key. It's like I'm secretly watching romantic movies when I'm alone. So low key means secretly, like slightly. Yeah. So you can write it down. Low key, secretly, slightly. Yeah. It's a guilty pleasure actually. Do you have a guilty pleasure?
No, what does it mean?
A guilty pleasure is something that you like, but when other people, they know that you like it, they may say, you like this? Yeah. It's something that you like, but you hate that you like it. I mean, at the same time. For example, like, yeah, one of my guilty pleasures actually watching like goofy stuff, like watching goofy TV shows, like soap dramas, like soap operas, like, yeah. So this is my guilty pleasure. I like it, but I don't want
So
anyone else. No. I like it, but I don't want anyone else to find out. We call it guilty pleasure. So, what is your guilty pleasure? For example, you like it, but you don't want other people to know that you like it.
I think everybody knows.
So, no, yeah, but so what is it? Tell me. I don't know.
Romantic.
Romantic movies?
Yes.
It's not just about movies. It can be about anything. I mean, for example, you like the smell of gas at the gas station. That's a guilty pleasure. I mean, it always smell it. Oh, I love gas. Or yeah, something like this. Or for example, it can be anything. For example, you love to wear like ugly socks. I don't know. For example, you love to listen to the songs, like old songs that nobody listens. Like these all can be guilty pleasures. Yeah, so it's not just about movies. It can be related to anything. So you don't know. You don't want to confess, I think. Okay, you don't want to confess.
No, I have.
Okay, so what is it? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me.
About music.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Sometimes.
Very
Listen to-
traditional songs.
No.
Oh, like rap?
No. No. I don't understand rap.
So my friend, he bought a car.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a great car. I mean, it's a luxurious, expensive car, I know, but come on. He's always flexing.
Flexen.
Yeah, he's always flexing his new car. Like,
What is it?
dude, come on, stop it. Flexing means showing off.
Oh.
Yeah, he's showing off his new car. He's flexing. Yo, just stop it. Don't flex it. Like, you know,
Show off.
show off, like flex. So when you want to say, I'm going to show off, you say, hey, I flex. I can flex, yo. I'm flexing, yo. Yo. Like, they call it in the hood. I mean, these expressions that I'm teaching you today, they call it, I mean, they talk it like in the hood, okay? Like very slang-ish. Like
Slangish.
slang-ish. Ish is like when you want to talk like about anything that you want to say, hey, like so, like something like that. But slang means the things that they talk, I mean, in their, it's not formal, it's informal, and they're new. Maybe 20 years ago, they didn't even exist, okay? But right now they do, and you can talk it. I mean, like new words and new expressions that they exist now and people use, but 20 years ago, they didn't actually even exist. So we call them slang.
Slang.
Yeah, slangs. So yeah, so flex means showing off. Like, I'm flexing. My new glasses, yo. Yeah, it's not new, by the way. It's old.
Slang.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
What happened?
last night at parties, there was a girl. Her name,
Oh.
no. Yo, she was like, her name was Sarah. I didn't know her, but she was savage. She was talking like shit with everyone. I mean, yeah, she was ruthless. She was savage. She was savage, yeah. I mean, she was talking to everyone like this. Yo, don't come near. Hey, don't drink this. Hey, don't drink that. Hey, yo, she was like this. And what? And I mean,
Fighting mode?
no, yeah, fighting mode, but never, not literally, figuratively, but yeah, she was savage.
Savage.
Yeah, it means she was ruthless. She was badass.
Badass.
Yeah, when you want to say someone was savage, you can say she was, or even, I mean, yo, the things you said, that was savage.
That was savage.
Yeah, the things you said, that was savage, yo. It means that hurts, that burns. Yeah, when they hear it, they're gonna burn. So that was savage. I mean, you can say that person was savage. You can say that thing was savage. You can say that place was savage. You can use this, I mean, word for anything, like literally. So
And they are different.
yeah, they're different in meaning, but the same. I mean, it means badass, like cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it means at the same time badass thing. Yeah. Last night was your friend's birthday.
Yeah.
Okay. Spill the tea. How was it?
It was very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, were you guys dancing?
No.
No, it was
No.
like.
We went to a cafe
Cafe.
cafe and
Yes.
drink tea and sweet.
Okay. So, did your friend say anything like, I mean, gossipy? Come on, spill the tea.
Gossipy?
Yeah, like gossipy. Like, did she talk any gossip? Like, talking about the thing that was, for example, very interesting, but it's just between you guys. Gossip. Like, hey, you know that, you know him. He's like this. Gossip. Like when you, yeah. But so in American, I mean, in the hood, you can say, spill the tea. For example, you were with your friend, and I'm your friend. I'm gonna say, hey, spill the tea. Just tell me about the gossip.
Gossip.
Yeah, gossip, like spill the tea. Like there is a tea, like when you drink the tea, yeah? So when you want to say, tell me the gossip, you say, spill the tea.
Spill the tea.
Yeah, spill the tea, tell me. Spill the tea. Yes, it means tell me the gossip. So, yeah. Yeah. So, are you, I mean, gossip?
No,
You don't like it?
with my friend.
Yeah, it's your friends. Come on, tell me the truth. I think you do.
Yes.
I think you gossip a lot. And you call your friends, hey, did I tell you this? And he did that. Oh my God.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I mean, everybody they do.
Yes.
Everybody does.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's good. So when you want to say, yeah, I'm gossiping, you can say, hey, like, spill the tea, yo.
Spill the tea.
Yeah. It's not spill, spill.
Spill.
Yeah, spill.
Spill.
Yeah, good. Yo.
Yo.
Yo. When you want to say,
Yo, yo.
yeah, something like, hey, yo, hey, you. Like, just, it has all sort of meanings, so I cannot tell you the meanings because it has like 100 meanings. But when you want to say, hey, pay attention to me. Hey, listen to me. Say, hey, yo. Something like that. Yeah. Hey, I want to teach you something and you're going to use it a lot. When you want to say, for example, that performance of yours, that was perfect. That was excellent. You know what they say? You know what they say in the hood?
The hood.
No, I mean, you know what they say in the hood? Instead of saying, that performance was excellent, they say, you slayed that performance.
Slate.
You slayed.
Slate.
Slayed, yeah.
Slayed.
Yeah, yo, you slayed that performance. Yo, bro, that was like, yo, like this. It means you performed like excellent, perfect. I mean,
Slate.
you slayed. Yeah, slay. And you can just, for commenting on people's performance, like, it's a like thing. Say, slay. It means great, perfect. Yeah, so you can use it a lot. Slay, not slate, slay, like S-L-A-Y. And if you're gonna say that, hey, slayed, ed, but no, not ed here, but like totally, you can say slay. Yo.
Slay.
Yeah, like slay. I mean, your performance as a student, I can say good performance. Like, yeah. I can say slay, yo. Such a good student.
Thank you.
That was all about today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please make sure to watch other videos. It's free English class. And subscribe my channel because maybe not today, but someday you're gonna need it. So yeah, and write me in the comments where you're from. And like, I send my regards. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.